Hi everyone, this is my review of the Marklin HO scale locomotive. I just purchased this from iHobbyTech in Canada, and it's an HO scale Marklin product. I'm just going to go to this side so I can show you what's on the box here. So, made in Germany, and all the ID numbers there. Website for Marklin. See, it's spelled slightly different in German, Maerklin. And then we go to the side and it will tell you what the locomotive is. So here we are. This is actually locomotive 39758. So we're going to go on to opening this up now. And on opening, just like all the Marklin train products, it's very securely packed. There's a bit of reflection here on the box, so I apologize for that, but if you can have a look and see how securely this is all packed here by Marklin. There's no chance of this moving during transport at all, really. And you have the polystyrene blocks on the end, here and here. Okay, I'm going to move on to taking it out of the packaging now. Just to mention, this is a brand new product. As you can see, I haven't opened it at all yet. All sealed completely. And the edges as well, on this side. Okay, so moving on to opening now. So it comes in a polystyrene type, well, almost plasticky type film covering the whole box. And then this is a plastic box that the actual locomotive's in. I'm going to take that one out and have a look at this one now. So I can move this out of the way. Here we go. All right. And you can see straight away there's a lot of detail on this locomotive. Highly detailed scale model. With a tiny writing there. To focus in very, very closely so you can read it, but exact copy of the actual locomotive. Right down to the safety signs here. So small my phone camera's having difficulty focusing on it. Move on to here now. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the plastic and show you, let you all have a very good look at it. Okay, so what I've done here is I've just put a ruler on a piece of paper and the locomotive on top of it so you can get an idea of scale. And just look at this packing, how secure this is by Marklin. Really is tightly placed to the actual locomotive here. So we'll move on to removing it from this packaging now so you can take a good look at it. Okay, so just take a look at this again. Very, very carefully packed by Marklin here. All the vital structures are protected by these pieces of cloth here. So let's take this off and have a look now. I find this very useful because when you're finished using it on your track, you can repack it exactly like it was sent to you, and very protective of your product if you're into looking after these things very carefully. So let's look at this in a bit more detail now. So you can see very fine detail. That's supposed to be coal in the train there. Again, it's so finely detailed and close, my phone's having some trouble focusing on it, but there we go again. Okay. And again, exact copy of the actual train. Let's move around to the front here. As you can see that. Okay. Okay. Okay, some close-up views now. This train how it should probably look when you have it on your track, but and moving around to the front here, so you can all see the level of detail there. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so just getting back to this, apologise for the little delay, my phone went off there unexpectedly. So here we go, there's some parts that come with the locomotive as well, and they'll go obviously somewhere on this train. I haven't figured out quite yet where they go, but I will do that. So that's pretty much everything. I would actually like to show you just the bottom because the Marklin trains are different from the other locomotives. They run on a different track, and key to that is this area here. The Marklin is a 3-track system, so, but you can just see the level of detail there. The struts for the wheels. If the thing ever gets into focus. Here we go. That should do it. There we are, that's better. Okay, and I'm going to leave it at that, and thank you very much for watching this video. I'm now going to put this back in the box until I can get it on my track, and then I'll do a separate video for that. Thank you.